Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a very important topic if you're just getting started with WordPress. What's the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com? Let's break it down in simple terms. First, let's talk about WordPress.org. WordPress is an open source software and completely free. However, with WordPress.org, you need to buy your own domain name and web hosting to get started. With WordPress.org, you have full control over your website. You can install themes, add any plugins you want, and even modify your site's code if you're into that kind of thing. It's perfect for people who want flexibility and are ready to manage their own website. To sum it up, with WordPress.org, you have more control, more freedom, but you need to handle hosting and maintenance. Now let's look at WordPress.com. It's also based on the same WordPress software, but is more of a service. WordPress.com offers hosting for you, so you don't have to worry about finding a web host or handling updates. WordPress.com has free and paid plans. The free plan is limited. You can't install plugins, and your website will have ads on it. With the paid plans, you get more features, like removing ads and adding custom domains, but it's still more restricted than WordPress.org. Basically, with WordPress.com, you have less control, but it's easier to manage since hosting and updates are taken care of. So, to wrap it up, if you want total control over your website, WordPress.org is the way to go. But if you want something simpler and don't mind fewer customization options, WordPress.com might be a better fit for you. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tips coming soon. Thanks for watching.